do we have here? 360 Modena doing some alternator change. Fried his alternator. Cannot be rebuilt. We got this from the dealer for $4,800 and they gave us 10% discount. We got a great deal actually for almost $3,900 something. You all know I'm kidding. You all know that's a joke. We paid $7,450,699. Somebody there. It's beautiful Modena. We're gonna find out a couple stuff, electrical fix. The alternator goes in right here, just in case. Oh, I see. I don't know why that is all tied up. They can't actually touch the chassis. I don't know why this is like this. They should touch the chassis, and we have some Oktoberfest going. The clutch looks pretty decent, although I see some heat marks, but you know what, on a Ferrari you don't see some heat marks. You gotta change the owner of the vehicle. Error code 0P0PP1PP. That means change ownership. The guy not supposed to drive this car. You don't see some heat marks, some burns on the tires. You're giving straight P0PP0P 0WRPP code. You know, in this case, this is not valid. This car doesn't give the P0 code. Beautiful car. I just love them. Looking them for 25 years. Every day I touch them, I work on them. It's a thrill. He needs some headers for $45,969,000. We gave them 10% discount, no problem. That is not a problem. This starter motor is on sale at Ferrari for $49,675,999. So just check it out. They're getting a good discount. Another beauty. I hope you all had some fun watching this $1,269,099 video. And today's mechanics became video people. All this effects has to be there. Otherwise, what will happen to us? Spent 25 years of extreme endurance, learning this technology, surviving, you know, and now we're down to the video. No video, no customer. There you got your video. I just found this screw and I tied this screw up, and this screw, I tied the screw up, and then I tied the screw, I tied it up. The screw is now tied. Screw is tied, all tied. I tied this and I screwed this tied up, and then I screwed it up and I screwed it. It's all tied up. Screw tied up. Yep, well, then we got them all video. Oh, here's the number. Macchiato Cappuccino wrote the number. He just put his phone number in for middle in case some girl mechanic walks out, can call it. You know, his name was Roberto Rocelli. So call him up. Well, he maybe aged a little from 25 years ago, but that's okay.